Welcome to Kids Nursery TV.
Down by the pond on a sunny day, little white goose wants to play. Flap, 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 she spreads her wings. Honk, 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 she loves to sing. Honk, 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 the goose says loud, fluffy and proud in the farmer's crowd. Waddle, wiggle, splash and play. Goosey goose honks all day. She swims around, goes round and round, feathers shining, what a sound. Farmer smiles, the duckies cheer. Honk, 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 we all can hear. Honk, 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 the goose says loud, fluffy and proud in the farmer's crowd. Waddle, wiggle, splash and play. Goosey goose honks all day. When the sun starts to go down slow,
Goosey hums in the evening glow.
Close your eyes, the stars all peek.
Honk, honk, honk,
So soft and sweet. Good night, goose, sleep tight tonight, under the moon's silver light.
honk, honk, honk,
Good night, farm.
and dreams take flight.
It's time to say goodbye. We had a fun day. See you again real soon.